Hi friends, in this video I will talk about APIs. What did they look like? Why are they critical for us? And how to manage the API based solutions. So what are API based solutions? In simple words, it allows a program or applications to essentially bring data and functionality to users without making them leave the application. Some example that I can think of: when you are on a blog site and viewing a YouTube video without leaving the blog site. The intelligence behind this is API based solution. Or when you are trying to log into an application without even creating an account or registering to the account by just calling the Google login solution API or Facebook login API solution, then that is another great example of how the API based solutions are helpful to the users. So what did they look like? API based solutions generally look like an URL. It will be something which will have a query parameter, which basically will ask or allow users to add any value, and this value can be anything. So in this particular slide, if you see the first example where we are utilizing the Google search API and we are trying to search for a keyword lecture, then we will get or retrieve data using this API. The second example would retrieve the collection of relevant tweets matching a specified query. In this case, it will be popular tweets with the keyword NASA. And the third example is related to TripAdvisor API, which is a popular rating and review site, which basically can provide you the list of traveler rating, number of reviews, and many other information through this API. So essentially, the APIs are URLs, but it is in different formats depending upon what kind of operations you are doing. If you are retrieving results, then it will be a GET API. If you are posting some results to it, then it will be a POST API. So who is the customer for such API based solutions? Definitely by looking at the last slide, when we are talking about the URL, we are talking about the query, parameter, all those topics, definitely developer is the one who is going to understand these things. So they are our customers. The programmers are the customers. But along with that, we need to understand the ecosystem we are in and who all can be our partner. For example, if you are in a payment domain and you are exposing some APIs which are relevant for the banks or merchants, then definitely they will be our customer too, who will basically hire some developers or programmers to consume these APIs and build something interesting. So finally, how to manage and evaluate the API based solutions? To be able to manage the API based solutions, first of all, we should treat the API based solution as the same kind of product which you are developing or you're building as like any other product, like your e-commerce product or UI based product or any other product which is already there in the market. The API based solutions is a product which will in turn make your core product a platform which in turn can allow users, consumers, developers to be stick to this particular platform and keep getting hits on this platform and your core products. So ultimately it is driving innovation and it is driving growth for your core product. And the acceptance criteria for such API based solution would be to ensure that it is accessible. Accessible meaning here is the API should be giving a frictionless way of building things. Developers should not be getting too much confusion, too much issues while accessing your APIs. They should be properly documented. Meaning here is that the query parameter, the list of request parameter that you are expecting, the response that you are going to provide should be clearly mentioned with the different data types if possible. That would basically help the developers understand what exactly am I going to get by calling this API. And finally, the most important part, it should be secured and scalable. Do you know there are some of the platforms, some of the core products are not providing APIs like WhatsApp or a Quora app, which is a question answer platform. And the reason being, when you have a sensitive information in your core product specific to a particular individual or group, you will tend to avoid APIs, which in turn can create lot of unnecessary data or information for the users who will be getting this information. So that's the reason WhatsApp has a different strategy for providing APIs, and similarly Quora has again a different strategy for providing APIs. Right now they have a very limited use cases when they are actually providing the APIs. So hopefully this would help you understand how to go about and plan the API based solutions. For more details, I would suggest you to go through these links from where I got some ideas and delivered this particular presentation. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching it. Bye bye.